Creating Vox-style animations used to take hours of manual keyframing. Now, we just generate the whole collage instantly.
One jellyfish species can sense it's dying, then reverse its own aging, turning back into a baby and starting its life over from scratch.
One great shot is cool, but what really matters is a simple workflow that turns any idea into the perfect Gemini Omni prompt.
In the early hours of September 2nd, 1666, a small fire started in a London bakery, and nothing would stop it for 4 days. Packed wooden buildings and a strong east wind turned one bakery fire into a wall of flame racing across the city.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Nova here. Today I'm showing you a simple workflow to create this exact animation style using Gemini Omni. This Papercut Vox-style prompt method works for educational explainers, historical storytelling, animal and science facts, a lot of different use cases, brand and product ads, and even social media documentary content. Basically, anywhere you need a fast, eye-catching, narrated video without filming anything. Most voxel-style animation tutorials go in one of two directions. Either you write every prompt from scratch, or you expect one tool to handle everything. This video is different. The goal here is to build a reusable system where the prompt itself gets generated for you. To access Gemini Omni, just head over to Higgsfield. On the top menu, select Video, and then click on Gemini Omni Flash. Gemini Omni can handle a pretty wide range of visual directions. For example, you can create clean 2D motion graphics. It easily generates crisp typography and fluid vector-style animations right from your prompt. Or, if you are working with talking head footage, the model can track the subject and layer dynamic text and stickers perfectly into the shot.
10%. Future you will thank you, trust me.
And even it can edit raw footage directly, and I already covered that in another video. Anyway, let's get back to this workflow. Now head over to your favorite LLM, Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini, which is what I'm using here. Just upload this MD file. You can download it straight from the description to use with any model. It handles Vox-style paper collages, stop motion, documentary motion design, Gemini Omni, or C-dance prompts, and even talking head backgrounds. All you do is type your idea, or drop in a reference video, image, or audio, and it builds a structured prompt for you. For instance, I'll type, create a 50-second Papercut documentary explainer about different cats. Now you have the prompt, just head back to Higgsfield, paste it into the prompt box, choose the duration, set the aspect ratio, and make sure Gemini Omni is selected. Then hit Generate, do that for each clip, and check the results. And this is the really useful part. You can upload a file that already contains information, like a lecture, a script, or research notes, and the LLM can turn that into a Vox-style prompt for you.
Calicos are a tricolor mosaic of black, orange, and white. Thanks to genetics, almost every calico is female.
So for this example, I'll just tell the LLM, using the attached rules, write a 2-part video sequence about quantum entanglement. Part 1 explains spooky action at a distance, and Part 2 shows the particles locking.
2 particles, connected instantly across the universe. Measure 1 particle, and it locks into a state. Its partner instantly snaps into the exact opposite state.
And this actually works for creating ads too, especially if you want that cute, stylized look. All you have to do is upload a clean reference photo of the ad, and ask the LLM to write a prompt based on that visual style.
Meet the Aeroglide, the lightest sneaker on the market, engineered for maximum breathability, so you feel like you are flying. Built for explosive speed and absolute power. It is not just a shoe. It is a launch pad.
For our next example, you can lock your avatar layer and dynamically swap out whatever is happening in the background. workflow lets you instantly change your visual context behind you to match whatever topic you're talking about.
That cat curled up on your couch is, biologically, still a small, highly efficient predator. Siamese cats are famous for one thing. They will not stop talking to you.
I've put the Markdown file right in the description. It's built to work with whatever LLM you prefer, Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT. I spent a lot of time getting this template stable and reliable, so your feedback in the comments really helps me keep improving it. And on a real note, our channel reach took a massive hit recently when our avatar model got falsely flagged. If this guide helps you out, leaving a comment or hitting like honestly helps us recover and keep making these tutorials.
They are basically living, walking heaters.
Your support, comments, and shares really keep the channel going, especially lately. In this hard situation, I truly appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.